Remotely control a door using micro-bit board and remote control. This project consists of a wooden house prototype with an automated door that can be remotely controlled using a microbit. The system incorporates a KY032 infrared (IR) sensor to detect signals from a remote control, triggering a servo motor to open or close the door. The user presses the button 1 on the IR remote. The servo rotates to 20 degrees to open the door. The user presses the button 0 on the IR remote. The servo rotates to 80 degrees to close the door. Circuit connections of system. Wooden house prototype represents a real-life house model with a door that opens and closes. The servo motor is mounted inside the house, controlling the door movement. The LCD screen is attached to the exterior for status display. A breadboard is used for prototyping and making temporary connections without soldering. Since the microbit has a limited number of GPIO pins, a GPIO extension card is useful for making stable and easy connections. The microbit is a small microcontroller board that processes inputs from the IR sensor and controls the servo motor. It receives signals from the HY032 IR receiver, determines whether to open or close the door, and sends the appropriate PWM signal to the servo. The microbit also communicates with the LCD I2C screen via I2C protocol to display messages. Servo motor is used to open and close the door by rotating a small lever or lock mechanism. It is controlled via a PWM, pulse width modulation, signal from the microbit. Connect the brown wire, GND, from the servo motor to the GND pin on the microbit board. Connect the red wire from the servo motor to the 5-volt pin on the GPIO board. Connect the yellow wire from the servo motor to pin P0 on the microbit. LCD I2C screen displays messages like door open or the door closed. It uses I2C protocol, SDA, SCL, to communicate with the microbit. Connect the LCD display's GND pin to microbit's GND pin. Connect the VCC pin of LCD display to the 5-volt pin of GPIO board. Connect LCD display's SCL pin to pin P19 on microbit board. Connect LCD display's SDA pin to pin P20 on microbit board. The KY032IR receiver detects infrared signals from a remote control and sends the corresponding digital signal to the micro:bit bit. It consists of a photodiode and an amplifier circuit to filter and decode the IR signals. Connect GND pin of KY032 sensor to GND pin of micro:bit bit. Connect VCC pin of KY032 sensor to 3.3 volt pin of micro:bit bit. Connect out pin of KY032 sensor to P1 pin of micro:bit bit. For more details you can visit our website, robotique.site. And thank you for your attention.